Hi guys, I wanted to show you guys how I pack my Birkin 30 as a baby bag using the 7 Rue Paradise insert. I don't always use my Birkin 30 as a baby bag because obviously it's handheld. However, on the times that I do use it as a baby bag, particularly when I'm just going to visit relatives or we're going somewhere where we're just going to be sitting down, then I would favor my Birkin 30 because of course I absolutely love it. It is beautiful. So if you do like luxury videos and you aren't already subscribed to my channel, then I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which is twice a week on a Wednesday and on a weekend. So now, for actually using this as a baby bag, I always would use my 7 Rue Paradise insert. Look, to be honest, I actually wouldn't use the bag without the 7 Rue Paradise insert. It's a fantastic insert. I can't rave about them enough. They are just so fantastic for Hermes bags. Why are they so great? And I've said this before, is because they have shape to them. They help to retain the shape of your bag. So as you see, it kind of just like bounces back, but they're not so firm to the point where they cause any kind of impression marks, indentations on your actual bag. So that is why I highly recommend these. So we're going to use this insert today to actually pack the items that I need for my baby bag so it's nice and organized. Of course, you know, I have a coupon code with 7 Rue Paradise because I am an affiliate for them because I love their product. I wouldn't have started to use these inserts if I didn't highly recommend them, because as you guys know on my channel, I really have a strong passion and love for Hermes. So my coupon code is still active with them. It's POF30 for €30 off, and that's off one insert. But if you happen to need 2 inserts, I also have a code to get €70 off, which is POF70. So all the details will also be in the description bar down below and also on the screen. So let's get right into this video and start packing this Birkin 30 as a baby bag. So I've got my stuff here on the side. I've got a little bit of a makeshift table sort of happening. So let's start off with my items. So I've got my card holder here. Just gonna pop that in at the back there. And then I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, which is actually quite full of keys right now. And I'm just gonna put that in at the side. So I'm just utilizing the pockets that the insert has. And now we have some hand sanitizer, super important at the moment, of course. And I'm gonna put this just down here. I actually don't need the thing that's hanging off of it, but yeah, I might take that off because I want to put it in the other way. This is actually a new bottle of hand sanitizer. I have another one that's a little bit smaller, so this is slightly bigger, but that's okay. That's all right. It should fit down the side there. If not, we can find you another home. All right, so maybe let's find you another home. Just to be on the safe side, let's find you another home. There we go. He fits nice and snug just at the front there. And tissues. Of course, you need tissues. And then I also have nappy bags. So obviously if he does a poop, I have some nappy bags. And I'm just going to slot this just down the side here. There's these little side compartments. Just because this item is so thin, I don't want to utilize the other compartments that could be used for like bigger items. So it's just down in there, okay? So this is the nappy cream. I just decanted it into a small container because there's no point like lugging around a massive container of nappy cream. It would be just unnecessary. You're not going to use it all in one go. So I'm just going to put this next to the tissues because it doesn't actually fit into these little side pockets here. The pockets either side here are a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to put it there next to the tissues. And it does fit right next to those tissues there. This item is just a container which has got like breast shields that you use for breastfeeding. I don't always use these anymore, but I just carry them just in case because you just never know if it's, you know, you're really sore and you're unable to breastfeed. So that way you kind of have a shield. So they're inside there. Now let's pop in the nappies. Obviously so important to have nappies. Now, there's no slots for me to actually utilize to put nappies in, of course, but they can find a nice home in there. I can put it either like that or I can put it like that upright. I might just put it upright just in case, so I'm maximizing space, putting it vertically. And then we have a baby bottle. Now, I don't need to use baby bottles. I just am packing it for the sake of this video because, you know, a lot of people do bottle feed and that's totally fine. Yeah. Actually, my daughter was bottle fed, so I'm just packing the bottle just for reference. And now this is a change pad, and I can just pop that in next to the nappies. So this is an O case. I don't always have it with me, but I just wanted to see if we can sort of fit it in. It's just not a necessity. I don't have really anything too imperative in there. The only thing I'd probably take out of that is my nasal spray so I could breathe because I have the worst sinuses. Now my phone, I don't have a slot for me to put my phone in currently because I'm utilizing the slots for the card holders and the other items. But I'm just gonna put this up against the O case like that, or I can actually just put it at the back there. So, and it's not getting too jam-packed anyway, so that's still nice and good. Now, if I need to, I can also bring a change of clothes. I can still wedge them in next to the nappies. Let's get this inside. So look, if you notice what's happening with the insert, you see how it's kind of molding, but it still springs back. That's what's so amazing, is that you can still take these inserts out, pack your bag, and then put them right back in, and they'll just kind of mold into the shape. Just, yeah, absolutely remarkable. All right, there we go, it's in. All right, there we are. Look, how amazing is that? It is so super organized as a baby bag, and you know, you could use this even if your child is older. You know, my son's 3 months, but you could be using this as a baby bag, you know, even 6 months and that sort of thing. You just, as the clothes get a little bit bigger, it might be a little bit more difficult, but as you can see on top, you can still sort of put clothes on the top anyway. I've got his clothes down here inside the organizer. So yeah, using that organizer just makes all the difference. It makes everything easy access, and of course when you have a baby, you just want things to be nice and simple, quick and easy when you're doing changes and that sort of thing. So yeah, I could not recommend the 7 Rue Paradise insert enough to use as an organizer for your bag. Use your Birkin 30 as a baby bag if you want to, you know. Whatever you want to do, whatever makes you happy. These bags are expensive and they are supposed to be used. Don't baby them. You know, no pun intended. Use them, love them, because that's what the Hermes Spa is for. The only thing is that the Hermes Spa does not spa the inside of your bag, and that's what makes the inserts, the 7 Rue Paradise inserts, so much more required, necessary, you know, that sort of thing. Because protecting the inside of your bag is so primarily important, given that you could, you know, use this bag and use it rigorously, and you can spa the outside and it'll come out looking almost like new again, but they're not going to touch the inside of your bag. So at least if you're using the 7 Rue Paradise insert inside, you're protecting the inside of your bag. Okay, so like I said, I do have the coupon codes with 7 Rue Paradise. All full details will be in the description bar down below, and that is all that I have for this video. Hopefully you guys found this useful and informative. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.